guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa and today we are making, now that I say it, it kind of doesn't even make sense, but I wanted to do something kind of Valentine related. I know a lot of people don't like Valentines and they hate love, and I get it. It can be kind of sappy. So you know what? At the end of the day, you can still love yourself. So that's the most important part. Treat yourself, love yourself, give yourself some FunFetti pancakes. On this video, I want to actually make these pancakes with you. I've never made them before, so that's a first. I feel like this is going to be a mess, but you know, I'm ready for that. That's the way my life goes. So we're doing FunFetti X and O's. Then I'm gonna make the glaze. I've never made glaze before, so that's gonna be a first and most likely a mess as well. But nonetheless, let's just get started. So the recipe calls for pancake mix. So I got the good old Aunt Jemima, La Tia Jemima. I got some moist yellow cake, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of rainbow sprinkles. I have these, which are probably easily since I was born. This looks around 30 years old, but they don't have an expiration date, so they might still be good. And then I got these more fancy ones. I will be using both this fancy sprinkles and these probably gonna give us all the stomachache and diarrhea sprinkles. Who's excited for pancakes? Oh, and I also got some strawberry. I wanted to slice them up and put them inside of the X's and O's. I kind of researched a little bit, but I got my ADD got the best of me, so I didn't focus. One of the most important things that I've learned from all of my research is mix together the dry stuff and then mix together separately the wetter stuff, and then you put the wet stuff into the dry stuff. Aunt Jemima, is this supposed to be open? I feel like there should be in a box. Aunt Jemima. All right, I'm just gonna go with, let's get a better angle here. Here I have my bowl and we're starting off with 1 cup of any pancake mix. All right, we got a cup of pancake mix and 1 cup of yellow cake mix. This is a little bit more than a cup, but now it's a cup. 1 cup of that, 2 eggs. I'm not gonna follow the wet and dry stuff. I mean, I've survived my whole life not doing it that way. I think it's gonna be okay. Now, milk. Pretty sure you could use whatever milk you want, but I'm gonna use whole milk. Non-pasteurized, non-GMO, not LMNOP, not anything. Just regular cow's milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 3 tablespoons of sprinkles. I'm gonna use this container because I want to mix together a couple of these colors. Some orange, some red, some blue, green, pink, purple. Here are all of the colors. Just gonna mix them together. And there you go, this is what we've got. 1, 2, 3. I have a little bit left, so I'm just gonna dump it in. Mix this up and it looks something like this. So I'm gonna set this aside for a little while, maybe like 10 minutes. Round number 2. So I think I learned my lesson from the first time. I repackaged some of that FunFetti cake stuff. I'm going to make this hole smaller so I can control better my lines, because obviously that other one was way too big. Man, this is not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, and then I also forgot to put butter. So this time I'm gonna try to put butter so it doesn't stick. Oh yeah, and last time I forgot to put the strawberries. So this time let's try not to forget to put the strawberries, Vanessa. All right, let's go. Round 2. Teeny little hole. Put butter, and let's start with the eggs. Okay. I got an X. Now I need to do the O. I'll start really wide. And now we wait. Once you see the bubbles like this, then we can start flipping them over. But this is my wannabe X. This is my O. Not too bad. This one, I'm nervous about this one. Yes, not too bad. This one came out a little better. And this one, kind of like an X. There you go, let's keep them coming. Finally have them flipped over. So I'm just gonna layer them, the O's on top of the O's and that X to cover up my other ugly X. I just added 1 tablespoon of butter into this glass container, and since I don't own a microwave, I'm just kind of melting it in here. Then I'll show you guys how I'm doing the glaze. Wish me luck. 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, 1, 2. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1. Oh, okay. That's all I got. That's all I got. And 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to whisk this together. 2 to 3 cups of powdered sugar. This seems like a lot, but I think that's what it says. So here's 1 cup. You guys are probably all cringing because I know this is kind of an important. Pour as you whisk. Oh my word. This is the 2nd cup of sugar. Oh my God. Not bad. Look at the consistency. That looks pretty nice. Ooh, so proud of my glaze. All right, so here we have the X's and O's. They came out not too bad. I mean, for the first time, I'm not complaining. So go ahead and start adding the glaze on it. And then I'm gonna go in with my red and my pink sprinkles. Some whipped cream, pink and red. There you have it. Then we can also put some strawberries in here. And if you want to slide in some of the little slices, you can tuck them inside. So here we have it. The X and O Valentine's Day Funfetti pancake cake, whatever they are. They look delicious. They smell amazing. And I just thought it was a fun, different kind of creative way to celebrate Valentine's Day. You don't have to do anything crazy, just a little gesture. And if you don't have a Valentine, who cares? Make them for yourself, because you know what? My husband is gluten-free and these definitely are not, so guess who's eating them? Right here. All me. And I'm okay with that. Let's try it. Let's try it. The moment of truth. So good. Very, very sweet, but so delicious. You guys definitely need to try out the recipe. I'll leave it in the description box for sure. And be creative. Throw in whatever you want and make it your own. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more of my, you know, randomness. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great Valentine's Day, guys. Love yourself and share the love. And make these for yourself or for your friends, for your mom, for your dad, for your brother, for your sister, for anybody. I really encourage, spread the love. See you guys again next time. Bye. Pancake, funfetti cakes. Cake, pancake. I'm not going to be able to go to bed right now. There's so much sugar.